Sirah farmers, today I want to bring to you what you have asked for about how to make piglet feed. All right. So based on the last video, you guys talked about how can we make feed for piglets. So today I'll be telling you how you can make it on your own, and it's not really hard. You can do it. Yeah, if you listen to this video and you particularize this video, definitely you should be able to make your own feed for your piglet. And serial farmers, please, if you notice that you have not subscribed to this channel, please try as much as possible to subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so that whenever we drop video, you will be notified that we have dropped video, because we want to create a community of farmers where we can share ideas, and that will motivate me to do more if I see people coming in. So if you're new to this channel, just subscribe to this channel so that we can create a better community for farmers. All right, let's talk about today's video. What are the things that we need to create our piglet feed? Right, that is what we are talking about. So what can we do to create a proper feed for or what are the ingredients that we need to create proper feed for our piglet? Now, one of the things that you need is corn. You need corn, which you also call maize. You need of 50 kg. So this formulation is actually coming from me. All right, it's coming from me. So this is top class. All right, it's top class. So this you need maize or 50 kg. You need soya. And one more thing you need to know is that this ingredient, we sell it in Sirah farm. So if you need ingredient, we can sell it to you and ship it to you between 2 working days. All right. So let's continue. So for the soya, you need 20 kg to formulate your pellets for your piglet feed. Then the next thing you need is wheat. All right, so either wheat over or wheat, just try as much as possible to get wheat. If you can see wheat over, it's fine. So wheat over, let's say wheat over 15 kg. Then your fish meal, you need 5 kg of it. Then so the next thing you also need is your vegetable oil. So you need vegetable oil, maybe either vegetable or BSF oil, anyone you see, you can use that. So limestone, you need 1.5 kg. The vegetable oil, you need 3 kg. Your limestone, you need 1.5 kg. Then your salt, you need 0.3 kg. Then your vitamin and mineral, any one of them, those like zinc that I do mention, so that will take for 0.2 kg. So with this, you'll be able to create a proper piglet feed. All right, and note, this feed is between 3 weeks to 12 weeks. All right, so anything beyond that, you cannot use this feed anymore. All right, so that is how you can make your own feed. I believe this video will help someone.